All right, hopefully the audio is good now. So basically, today I'm gonna be breaking down everything that I'm gonna be doing in this series. This is gonna be a $200 to $5,000 flip challenge or count, whatever you want to call it. Um, I want you guys to understand that I've been trading prop firms for a really long time now, and I've made over six figures trading prop firms. Like right now, you're gonna see me pop up just half of the payouts I've only taken from Top Step. Like I've taken over 100,000 just last year from Top Step alone, and that's not even including the other prop firms I've been trading. Like this right here is literally 50K that I'm about to show you guys. Like, so I want you guys to understand, or this is about, yeah, this is about 50K, I believe. So I want you guys to understand that I'm transitioning over to my own personal account and just doing personal account flips and getting comfortable actually trading in the personal accounts. And today I did end up blowing that $200 that I put into that account. But I want you guys to understand that that is such a low amount and that I am going to be depositing another 200 and we're going to be continuing this series. I want you guys to understand that, everybody has their limits in trading. Me too. You know what I mean? Everybody has their weaknesses and everybody has their strengths, and it's all about just getting better every single day. So I want you guys to also understand that I'm doing this quick little overlay of my voice because the audio in this video is actually messed up. So I want you guys to try to learn as much as y'all can from this series, from these videos, and just me actually just putting everything on the line and showing you guys and bringing you guys into this. Like I don't have to do this, you know what I mean? I can literally just never post and be, a trader. You know what I mean? Because this is what I do. I don't do YouTube. I do trading. I make my money from trading. So I want you guys to at least try to learn as much as possible that y'all can from this. And my audio is muted right now, but I'm gonna make sure that I'm gonna keep this short and sweet for y'all can hear me break down my bias and everything like that. And that last trade that I took in this video on gold, I did end up losing. So let's get it. Let's get lit. And let's get back to it tomorrow. It's currently January 26th. I'll be back January 27th to drop another video. And let's get to it. If I end up taking any trades tonight, it will be in the video tomorrow. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. A lot of stuff was cut out because this video is like an hour long. And I want you guys to just, kind of piece everything together. I'm going from the higher time frame down to the lower time frames to enter my trades. Right now I'm breaking down the higher. So hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope that didn't pick up the audio. But I'm out. I'm done yapping. A 1 hour previous day high break right there, it seems like. Yes, that is. So the time frames really aren't aligning right now, and I don't really like that. So we have a 1 hour previous day high break, and then we have our 1 hour previous day high right here, which we could potentially push up to that. 1 hour previous day high right here, and market is about to open in literally like 30 seconds. So let me mark all of this off and drop down to the lower time frames because I am looking for the first presented fair value gap and things of that nature. So and then we're looking for this right here. It's going to also be a slash 1 hour previous day low because we basically broke all of that. So we're going to make this red also because this is yeah. So time frames really aren't aligning how I want them to. And we could potentially push back up into this area. This area really isn't that far. It's only 100 points away. So we could potentially push back up there. And then me dropping down, market just open. So let me actually label this. Actually, my time is totally off. Let me fix this real quick. I don't know why my time is off on here. So on Phoenix time, I need to put it on Los Angeles time. Okay, cool. So market just open here. We're gonna label this down like this. New York open. And I'm gonna be looking at my notebook and my notes. We're gonna mark that off right there. We are gonna mark off London session highs and lows. So we're gonna do that. Good points of liquidity. So I have all of this labeled. We have 2 a.m. layer liquidity down here. Also, we have this London low down here. So we have low. And this is going to be our target. So we're going to label this green on the low. And we also just broke / London high already. So this is our target for today. I am looking for sales. But we're gonna go off of price action right now. So okay, so this is the first fair value gap that was presented to me right now. I'm just gonna wait for this to close and see if it's gonna close right there. Okay, cool. This is the first presented fair value gap. Cool. We're gonna put these texts inside the box in the center. So now I'm just looking for a liquidity sweep to the downside or to the upside. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. So I like what we're doing right here. We have an order block here. And if we close under this order block, I'm gonna enter. Simply because we've already ran into a whole bunch of volume imbalances and things of that nature. I'm gonna enter off of this order block right here. Plus, this is also considered my M3 sweep, I guess I would call it. This would be considered my Model 3 sweep. And yeah, I would enter off of this order block right here, keep my stop right here. And take it down to at least a low, like right here, right here. London low actually isn't that far, so I might try to reach for that today. It is about 200 points, so I might try to reach for this low down here, or try to go for this low down here. Not too much, nothing crazy. So that'd be about like 100 points. I said, if we take this high, then that changes everything, but it doesn't change too much. We still gonna have the same entry range. It's just now we gotta wait for us to catch an entry in this range. So I do like how we kind of came to, I believe we came to like the middle of this. No, we didn't. Okay. Okay. So we just took liquidity up here. I actually like that. We took short term right here. So we took short term buy side liquidity right here. And that's smooth. I like that. I like that. I like that we did that. We took short term buy side liquidity right here. And then we also took main liquidity right here. So we took initial buy side liquidity right here. Now I like the way we are wicking off of this middle of this daily VI. So I really like that. And this is going to be our range. So this is our range for entry for sales. And now we're just waiting for entry. So Let me actually blow this up a little bit. Took that right there, that short term. I really like this. So this is our entry range. I don't want to see this break above. And if this does break above, it doesn't really make too big of a difference because I would know what we're coming off of, what we're wicking off of. Yeah. So far, we might push up all the way up there, but I doubt it. I doubt that we do that today. I doubt it. In my opinion, I doubt it. We are pushing up pretty strong, so we might push up above this. Continuously pushing up. Look like we might break double for our previous day high, which would be crazy to me. I haven't seen that in a minute. Actually, I'm lying. I think I seen that last week. So this is what it takes, though. It takes patience to execute, man. It takes patience, man. It takes patience, man. Do I want to take it down there? I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it to here just to be safe. So we're gonna make about 325 on this trade, which is cool. I'm not gonna be greedy today. This is a 1-4. I'm not gonna be greedy at all. And then let me make sure. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna adjust everything. And if we lose today, like we lose, like I might give it one more shot, but I'm not too we just retraced into both order blocks, by the way. So even though this one is outside, I'm still looking at this one for my entry. So that's exactly why I have my stops right there. So I'm not looking for price to be perfect and just shoot down, but I do expect price to shoot down off of this. I do. I do expect price to shoot down off of this. We've been trending damn near all night from 1 a.m. to now. So we're gonna give price a chance to do what it do. And let me actually adjust this because the spreads with this broker is a little different. And I don't want to get stopped out. And then my shit retrace on me. I don't want that to happen. I don't want it to happen now. Okay. All right, price is still pushing up. Price is pushing up. Price is pushing up. So I do expect price to push down off of this. Not gonna lie. I don't expect price to keep pushing up. I don't. Okay, we're getting a little bit of retracement in there. We went straight to drawdown in this trade. At some point, we gotta come collect that liquidity, though. You know what I'm saying? At some point, we got to. I know we close to this PDH, but I don't think we're gonna break it. Like I said, in my opinion. mind you, this is a Monday, so gotta keep that in mind. Okay, showing a little bit of jaggedness right here, but I really can't say, like, it looks like we're gonna just continuously push up, in my opinion. Yeah, so we just gonna continuously push up. I am still in on my other account. I am still in on my other account because I have my stop loss above that high because of spreads. So on my other account, I am still in this trade even though we broke this high. So what I'm gonna be looking for though now for my other account, which I just lost money on, we lost this trade right here, which is fine. All right, we lost this trade, cool. I'm looking for another entry in here, so that's what I'm looking for. I'm not looking for um, nothing else. Okay, we just lost on this account. So new balance 122. So y'all gonna see this whole journey with me, bro. Like we lost this trade. I waited damn near a whole hour and 30 minutes to take this trade. Like, so I followed all my rules. I'm doing everything I need to do. And this is just how trading works. So next thing we're gonna be looking for is another trade in this area. We might just come and take this previous day high. I think that's what we want to do. So doesn't make sense either. So I just know I'm gonna leave the daily alone for right now. And I'm gonna just focus on this. Focus on this coming back into my entry range and catching a better entry. So I'm gonna focus on and keeping good risk. Dying out here, y'all. And it's literally for my students. So I'm gonna drop the other breakdown for the other people later on. Okay, I like this selling pressure. Like I'm gonna keep saying,
Seller pressure is telling me that we want to go down because none of the candles of us pushing up have looked like this. I really like this selling pressure.
Okay, so what's good? I'm back, y'all. I ended up entering my second trade for today. Now I'm gonna go on gold right here and show you guys what I seen. So I seen the same thing that I seen on actually Nasdaq, which I seen sales, and I seen the same exact thing. So we're gonna give it a chance to play out. I'm actually gonna be taking this down to here, or no, to here, and we're gonna give it a chance to play out and see how this go. It's not moving as fast as it was doing on Nasdaq, where it just took me out super quick. It's having a little bit of retracements, but we did catch an entry in this entry range. So um, we're gonna give it a little minute to play out. I'm gonna come back in about 15 to 30 minutes, and I'm gonna give you guys an update on what happens. And this is most likely gonna be my last trade for today. I'm risking about $100 again on this trade, which I might even add on positions because I wasn't really trying to risk that much. And it's damn near like the last little piece of the account. The account only has $122. So if we fail this, then I'll just end up probably just putting another 200 in and doing it again because it is $200. You know what I mean? It's $200. I'm trying to flip to 5K. Like those first couple trades do matter. I could have did super small leverage, but we're gonna give it a chance. We're gonna see how everything plays out and whatnot. And yeah, we gonna see. I think this trade should be green. I think we should be able to drop down here. This is about 30 points on gold. Um, I think we should be able to get down there. So we're gonna get it some time, and we just gonna see how this play out. I entered at 5082. Yeah, we're gonna give it some time, and I will be back once this trade is done. So I'll be back in about 30 minutes. So let me actually adjust this over here, and let me actually adjust this a little bit. Cause spreads will get your ass if you let it. It will. So, but alrighty, y'all. I will be back in about 15 to 30 minutes to let y'all know what happens in this trade.